This conference
Okay.
will now be recorded.
Okay, fine. Today, this is day one. First of all, guys, before start the class, let me introduce myself. This is Ramakrishna. Let me share my profile. First of all, so this is Ramakrishna, and this is software testing training for 30 hours of session, and I have 13 years of experience. Almost I trained more than 100 plus batches, both online and offline. And I train more than 20,000 plus students. And I'm working as a test consultant for few companies. I'm not working in for particular company. I'm working for as a test consultant for few companies, which is located in multiple, the multiple countries, India, US, and UK. Fine. Today, we are going to discuss about what we can learn, what you can learn. So in this class, you can learn the day one. This is concepts I am showing on my screen. The day one concepts such as what is software, what is testing, what is software testing, and history of software testing and the quality, error, defect, bug, project and product, and ways of software testing, manual and automation testing. This is what we can learn. This is what we can learn. Okay. Now, first of all, before start the class, once again, guys, my request is while explaining the class, if you have any doubts, please don't text in the chat box. Definitely, I'll wait a few minutes. I'll wait few minutes to clarify your doubts. Okay. End of the class, definitely I'll spend some time to clarify the doubts. So my request is please don't ask any questions in middle of the class. Just listen what I'm explaining. I know you have a lot of doubts. Sir, I'm from non-technical background. I have the gap. I'm suitable or not? Yes, 100%. If you are from non-technical background and if you don't have any IT experience and if you are 2019, 15, 16 passed out, also, also, if you are confusing about coding, without coding, 100% you can learn these skills. Without coding, 100% you can learn these skills. Okay. Okay, good. And as well as please stop your video also, guys. Okay, thank you. Now let me explain what I'm explaining, that try to understand. First of all, in this class you can learn very basic concepts. Okay, you can learn very basic concepts. First, what is software testing? What is software testing? Before explain this topic, what is software testing? First, my question is what is software? Everyone, are they able to give the answers in chat box? What is software? Just ping me answer in chat box. Don't unmute and don't talk. So just ping me message in chat box. So my question is, what is software? What is software? Yes, collection of programs from school onwards. Same definition we are following. Collection of programs are set of executable programs in a computer. Everyone, once again, what is software? Collection of programs or set of executable programs in a computer. Nothing but call as software. Nowadays, without software, there is no any business, there is no any job, there is no any human, because everyone they're using mobile phone, right? Everyone they're using mobile phone. Everyone. So without software, are you able to find out any one of the person? Okay, everyone. Uh, what is software? A collection of programs or set of executable programs in a computer. Nothing but call as, nothing but call as, everyone, nothing but call as what? Software. Once again, collection of programs are, yes, collection of programs are set of executable programs in a computer. Nothing but call as, nothing but call as software. Nowadays, software very important. Yes, without software, there is no any job, there is no any business, there is no any, yes, there is no any human resources. Everything is depending on, everything is depending on software only, right? Yes. Next, my question is, what is meaning of testing? What is meaning of testing? What is meaning of testing? You know, testing is a common word in our human life. What is testing? Testing is the common word in our human life. Nothing but expected value and actual value. Everyone, once again, what is testing? Testing is a nothing but expected value and actual value. What is meaning of expected? What is meaning of actual? What is meaning of expected? What is meaning of actual? Everyone, just 1 minute, guys. Just 1 minute. Everyone, please just wait 1 minute. I'll start. Please wait 1 minute. Everyone, just wait 2 minutes, guys. Please wait 2 minutes. I'll start the class. Please wait 2 minutes, guys. Everyone, just please wait 2 minutes. Please wait 2 minutes. Everyone, please wait 2 minutes. Everyone, please wait 2 minutes, guys. I'll continue the class. Please wait 2 minutes. Just give me 2 minutes. Please give me 2 minutes. Everyone, just wait for 2 minutes. Okay. See, guys, once again, everyone, what is software testing? What is software testing? What is software? Collection of programs or set of executable programs in a computer, nothing but call as software. What is testing? Testing means nothing but comparison between expected value and actual value. What is meaning of expected? What is meaning of actual? Before anything, before what we are expecting, nothing but call as expected. Finally, what is result? Nothing but call as actual. Once again, before what we are expecting, nothing but call as expected, and the final result, nothing but call as actual. For example, guys, small example, during BTech, maybe you have lot of expectations, right? What is your expectations? Definitely campus interview will be there. You will get the job. After you will get the job, maybe starting they will give 3.5 lakh something package, something your expectation, right? But your expectation something starting 3.5 lakhs package. After 5 years, 3 years of experience, I'll get 10 lakhs, 15 lakhs, flying to abroad, 1 crore dowry, marriage, like that. You have a lot of expectations, right? That is called what? Expected value. That is what? Expected value. And but final result, final output, nothing but call as actual value. Everyone, nothing but call as what? Actual value. Once again, guys, but finally what happened in campus interviews? No job. Again, you're coming to learn the courses, then try for the job, and nothing but call as what? Actual value. Understand the point? So once again, guys, what is software? Collection of programs. What is testing? Comparison between expected values and actual values. Expected values and actual values. Now, I hope you understood what is software and what is testing. Now, my question is, what is software testing? Now, my question is, what is software testing? Everyone are able to give the answer for software testing in chat box? Either right or wrong, not a problem, guys. Just give me your answer in chat box. My question is, what is software testing? Please ping me your answer in chat box. Either right or wrong, not a problem. Just give me your answers in chat box. Good. 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 Okay. Okay, I'll explain, guys. Everyone, I'll explain what is software testing. Before understand what is software testing, I'll show one small diagram. If you understand the diagram, then easily can understand definition of software testing. Okay, let me show one small diagram, but please ping me on confirmation message. Am I audible, everyone? Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay, don't unmute and don't talk. Just ping me message in chat box. Let me show small diagram in the paint application. I'll show one small diagram. If you understand this diagram, then easily can understand what is definition of software testing. Okay, if you understand this diagram, then easily can understand what is definition of software testing. Okay, just see, guys, like one person we are calling as, one person we are calling as client. One person, first of all, on my screen, we are calling as client. Client will provide requirement to the developer. Once again, first of all, I am showing the person nothing but call as client. Client will provide requirement to the developer. Then developer develop the software based on the client requirement. Once again, guys, normally who will provide the requirement? Client will provide requirement. Everyone, client will provide requirement. 1 minute, I'll show that. Yeah, 1 minute, I'll show that. First of all, client will provide requirement to the customer. Nothing but client will provide requirement to the developer. Then developer develop the application based on the client requirement. Yes, try to understand, guys, what I'm explaining that. So client will provide requirement to the developer. Developer develop the application. How developer will develop the application? By using different technologies. Yes, by using different technology. What kind of technologies developer they will use? Java, .NET, Python, PHP, like that. Developer will use different kind of different types of technologies. Let me show, such as Java, Python, C#, something. Java, Python, C# and something. Once application development is completed, application delivered to the customer. This is normally the main target of application development. Am I right, my point? Everyone. So what is the main target of application development? After completion of development, application need to deliver to the customer back. But you know one thing, before deliver to the testing, yes, client testing engineer need to involve. When testing engineer will involve in this diagram? After completion of development, before deliver to the customer. Everyone, first of all, who are providing requirement? Client. Who are developing the application? Developer. After testing engineer need to testing application. Let me show this here, guys. Try to understand. Testing engineer, you know one thing, testing engineer designation also called as QA, nothing but called as quality analyst. Everyone, don't yes, don't miss this point. Very, very important, very easy. If you understand this diagram, easily can understand definition of software testing. Once again, guys, client will provide requirement to developer, developer develop the application. Before deliver to customer, testing engineer job will be start. Before 2 minutes back, we discussed what is meaning of testing. It is a comparison between expected value and actual value. Comparison between expected value and actual value. What is meaning of what is expected and what is actual here? Very simple. Everyone, in this diagram, before develop the application, client requirement take as expected. Client requirement take as expected. After developed application, consider as a actual. The developed application consider as a actual. What we have to do? After completion of development application, before delivered to client, as a testing engineer, we have to compare whether expected value equal to actual value or not. If both are equal, client requirement satisfied. If both are not equal, nothing but call as defect and also called as bug. Once again, guys, client will provide requirement to developer. Developer develop the application based on the client requirement. After completion of development, everyone, after completion of development, application before delivered to the customer, as a testing engineer. Testing engineer designation also called as what? QA. QA stands for quality analyst. QA stands for what? Quality analyst. As a testing engineer, we have to compare whether expected value equal to actual value or not. If both are equal, client requirement satisfied. If both are not equal, nothing but call as defect and also called as bug. It's a process start from client to developer, developer to testing engineer, and again testing engineer to client. Am I right my point? The process start from client to developer, developer to testing engineer, and again testing engineer to client. It is a process of executing an application. It's a process of executing an application with an intention of finding defects and also called as bugs. Guys, I think I given access to someone to write. Please don't write nonsense on my screen. Please. 1 minute, guys. Just 1 minute. Okay. See, then what is software testing? Let me write, everyone. A set of, it's a process of executable. It's a process of executable programs in a computer. Everyone, once again, it's a process of executable programs in a computer. Just 1 minute, guys. Just 1 minute, please. Okay, everyone, what is software testing? It's a process of executable programs in a computer. That is called software. What is software testing? It's a process of, let me write here, everyone, what is software testing? Simply, it's a process of executing an application, executing an application with an intention of finding defects and also called as bugs. So what is our intention to finding defects and also called as what? Bugs. So what is software testing? It's a process of executing an application. It's a process of executing an application with an intention of finding defects and also called as bugs, and also called as what? Bug, and also called as bug. Now everyone, in my diagram, one question I am asking, when to start testing? I mean after development or before development? In my diagram, when to start testing, after development or before development? In my diagram, tell me when to start
After
testing. Guys, don't unmute please. You have the chat option because this is not one-to-one session. So please, yes, after development testing will be start. Okay, testing engineer also called as QA. QA stands for quality analyst. QA stands for what? Quality analyst, and also called as quality assurance. First of all, my question is, what is the meaning of quality? What is quality? Anyone are able to give the answer for this? So my question, what is quality? Guys, either right or wrong, not a problem. Just whenever I'm asking, give me a reply in chat box. What is meaning of quality? What is meaning of quality? What is meaning of quality? I'll tell you. The quality means nothing but simply customer or client satisfaction. What is meaning of quality? Customer or client satisfaction. Yes. For example, guys, while using iPhone, I'm using two mobile phones. One is iPhone, one is Samsung. Maybe while using the Samsung, I felt very happy. My point of view, Samsung is user friendly, Samsung is more quality. Understand my point? Actually, iPhone is more secure and more quality, but I am satisfied while using Samsung mobile. I am not satisfied while using iPhone mobile. So my what is the meaning for that? It is not quality. So quality means nothing but what? Customer satisfaction. While using the application, if customer satisfied, Customer point of view, it is a quality product. While using the application, if customer not satisfied, customer point of view, it is not quality. Yes, it is not quality. Okay, I hope you understood, guys, the basic definitions. What is software testing and what is quality? Once again, what is software testing? It's a process of executing an application with an intention of finding defects and also called as bugs. What is quality? Customer or client satisfaction. Nothing but call as quality. Before entering to subject, first of all, I know in our class, everyone you have a lot of doubts. What is your doubts? I mean, 1 minute, 1 minute. Customer or client satisfaction. Yes, everyone, you have a lot of doubts. What is it, sir? I am from non-technical background. I have a lot of gap. I am suitable for testing something. So you have a lot of, I mean, doubts. First of all, that's what how testing market is there. If you learn software testing, how your career is there, I'll explain for a few minutes, then we can go to subject. Okay, everyone. Yes, just I'll first of all, let's explain how the testing market is there. Okay, even everyone, you have a lot of doubts after completion of B.Tech, or whenever you want to move to IT industry, or whenever you have a lot of gap, if you want to move to IT, so you are doubt which one is better, either Java or Python, or any Oracle, or any SAP, or finally software testing. Which one is better career? First of all, let me give the clarification for this, then we can enter into subject. Okay. First of all, guys, give me your answer. Which one is better? Which one is better career from your side? I'll explain. Definitely, I'll give the clarification. So from your side, I am asking which one is better career? Okay, okay. DevApps or something. Okay, I'll give you the better. I'll give you the better way. Which one is best? Let me take the paint application. I'll give you the few example of the candidates. Okay. For example, let me take example of the 5 candidates. Let me take example of 5 candidates. This is one. And this is second one. Even so many students, that is your doubts, I know very well. Just 2 minutes, see my screen, I'll show you. Let me take example of 5 candidates who want to learn different technology whenever they want to move to IT. See, first one, everyone they want to become a software engineers. Everyone they want to become a software engineers. See guys, let me take example of the 5 candidates. Let me take example of the 5 candidates. So 5 candidates, they want to learn different technologies here. And first one, he want to learn Java. Second one, he want to learn Python. Third one, he want to learn C#. Third one, he want to learn Oracle. Last one, he don't have any coding skills, but also he want to become a software engineer. So he chose software testing. Now, Look at my screen. Everyone, now look at my screen. First one, he learned only Java. Entire that, I mean, entire all IT companies, every IT company, they're not using Java. Yes, yes, 100%. Every company, they're not using Java to develop the application. Maybe they can use Python, they can use C# something. But who are developing the application by using Java, first candidate, he can get the job only in their companies. Am I right, my point? I mean, if you learn Java, in every software company, your position is not available, because who are developing the application by using Java, in their company only, he can get the job. Second one, he learned Python. He is also same. Not every company. Who are implementing the application by using the Python, in their company only, he can get the job. C#, he is also same. Who are developing the application by using C#, in their company, he can get the job. Oracle also same. Who are developing the application by using Oracle, in their company, he can get the job. Understand my point? But if application developer by Java, if application developed by Python, if application developed by C#, if application developed by any technology without coding knowledge, we have to test application. Understand my point? Yes, if application developed by Java, if application developed by Python, if application developed by C#, if application developed by any other technology, before delivered to the customer, testing engineer designation, testing engineer role compulsory in IT company. Without testing engineer, there is no IT companies, there is no any software enter the world. Understand my point? So tell me now, which one is easy to get the job? Which one is better? Always testing engineer. Yes, always testing engineer. Because if application developed by any technology, testing engineer required to test application. But few answers I saw earlier. I want to become a developer. Who want to become a developer? You have few advantages, guys. Who want to become a developer? You have some more advantages. What is that? What is a developer advantage? Yes, 10%, 10 or 20% when compared to testing engineer. Better package, good answer, better package. Along with package, something bumper offers are there for developers, such as hair loss, BP, sugar. Yes, everything you can get as soon as possible, because that much of tension only for developers, not for testing engineers. Testing engineer, peaceful job. That's what entire the world, most of the girls, they're choosing the testing to do the better job and the peaceful job. Understand, guys? So don't go to the programming side. Always it's I mean the more, I mean, yes, more better opportunities only for testing engineer. Okay, fine. Then first of all, I have one doubt. Software testing, when it is started in IT company, guys, one small history of software testing. Small history of software testing. 2002, exact 20, almost 20 years back. 2002 at the time. 2002 at the time, in IT companies, development process, testing process, both done by only one person. You know this point? 2002 at the time, development, testing, both done by only one person. Guess who is the one person? Yes, developers only. And we are also called as programmers. There is no testing engineer. Yes, 2002 at the time, there is no testing engineer. Only developer, they developed application, same developer, they tested application. At the time, out of 100% of the projects, 70% of the projects got failure. Yes, 2002 at the time, there is no ATM softwares, there is no mobile phones, there is no laptops, because They developed at the time, they developed, but 70% of softwares, what happened? Failure. At the time, to know the reasons for failure, software companies approach with SEO, software SEI, Software Engineering Institute. It was started in USA to know the reasons for failure. So SEI analyze a failures. Finally, it's given suggestions and solutions. I mean, IT companies, if you want to stop 70% of the failure, only one solution, you have to introduce the testing engineer. Understand? SEI guidelines. If you want to stop 70% of the failure, you have to introduce the software testing engineer. So 2002 onwards, testing engineer started in IT industry. But at the time, out of 10 developers, initially out of 10 developers, only one testing engineer. After, even this is when 2002 at the time, out of 10 developers, only one testing engineer. 2010 at the time, out of 10 developers, changed the market as 5 testing engineers. 2015, out of 10 developers, 2015, almost out of 10 developers in IT company, 10 testing engineers. 2020, out of 10 developers, they're maintaining 15 testing engineers to provide 100% quality product to the customer. That's what I can share, that 100% when compared to developers, more opportunity for testing engineers. I have one doubt. My doubt is 2002 at the time, you said development testing both done by same developer na. Then again, why testing engineer required? SEA given guidelines, IT companies, if you want to stop 70% of failure, introduce testing engineer. That's fine. I'm very happy because I'm tester. But my doubt is why not development testing same done by developer? Why separate testing engineer required? Anyone are able to give the answer for that? Why separate testing engineer required? Good. For quality, Snehal. Okay. Guys, I'll explain. One small example. Let me take example one name, Shilpa. In our class, Shilpa is there. For example, guys, she prepared some food. After prepare, same food I'm giving to same girl, I'm asking to finding mistakes. Is it possible? No, they won't accept mistake. Even if taste is not good, they will tell us, no, the taste is very good. Am I right, my point? Because who prepared that, they can't find out any mistakes. Same food I'm giving to another girl, I'm asking to finding mistakes. Then is it possible? 100%. What I want to say, who developed the application, same person, they're not able to finding defects because always they will think positive way. But testing engineer can think both positive way and negative way. That's what 100% testing engineer required in IT industry. One point, without testing, you can't find out even one software in the world. Without testing, there is no ATM machines, there is no mobile apps, there is no any websites, there is no human resources, because testing is that much of important in IT industry. So don't think anything, maybe if I learn testing future, how it is the future, testing will be there or not. 200%. Even if artificial intelligence or any new technology introduced into the market, 100% testing engineer required. One point, artificial intelligence also introduced into the market after testing only. Am I right, my point? Chart nowadays very famous. What is that? Yes, Chat GPT also after tested only it is released into the market. Got it, my point? So without testing, you can't expect, you can't imagine any software industry. Okay, now let's enter into the subject. Everyone, So I hope you understood up to now. Now next, what is error and what is defect and also called as bug, and what is failure. This is regular words. What is error, what is defect, what is failure? Developer, they will develop the application by using different technologies, right? Such as Java, Python, C sharp. Developer, while writing the code, if programmer find out any mistake in the coding part, nothing but call as error. Everyone, once again, if programmer find out any mistake in the coding part, nothing but call as error. Once again, let me show here. Try to understand what is error. While writing the code, if programmer find out any mistake in the coding part, nothing but call as error. So programmer, to write the code, they will write to develop the application, they will write the code. So if they find out any mistake in the coding part, nothing but call as error. Next, defect and bug. Already we discussed this word. Right? When in paint application diagram I showed na, if expected value not equal to actual value, this is called what? Defect and also called as bug. Everyone, what is defect? If expected value not equal to actual value, or if any mismatches in between requirements, nothing but called as defect and also called as bug. And third one, failure. After development and after testing, delivered to the customer. After development and after testing, delivered to the customer. If customer find out any mistake in the coding part, if customer find out any mistake in the coding part, nothing but call as failure. Everyone, once again guys, try to understand what is error. If programmer find out any mistake in the coding part is called error. What is defect and bug? If expected value not equal to actual value, nothing but call as defect and also called as bug. Third one, failure. After development and after testing, delivered to customer. Customer, while using the application, if customer facing any issues, nothing but call as failure. Yes. For example, today I downloaded WhatsApp into my mobile app. While using, I'm not satisfied. It's not working properly. What kind of review I'll give you? It's a failure software. Am I right my point? Once again, if any mistake in the coding part is called error, expected value not equal to actual value called defect and bug. After delivered to the customer, if customer facing any problem, nothing but call as failure. Everyone, next, what is project and what is product? Are you able to give the answer for project and product? Either right or wrong, not a problem guys. Please give me your answer in chat box. What is project and what is product? Good. Nice. I'll explain. Cool. Both are same, but if any software developed for specific client requirement is called project. If any software developed for specific client requirement is called project. If any software developed for enter the market, nothing but multiple customer requirement, called product. Once again, which is developed for specific client requirement is called project, and which is developed for Enter the market requirement is called product. Yes, called product. Give me one small example, guys. I want to go to one tailoring shop. I want to give my measurements. I mean, I need one shirt. I need one shirt. I'm giving my measurements to the tailor to stitch my shirt. This is only for my requirement. Am I right? Which is called project. Which is called project. I'm going to brand factory. I want to get ready-made t-shirt, which is called product. So which is developed for specific client requirement is called project, which is developed for enter the market requirement is called product. Understand my point? One more example, everyone. I'm developing one chart application only for my students. I mean, to clear the doubts in between you and me, I'm developing one chart application, which is called which is called which is called what? Yes, very good, Kalyani. Yes, yes, Akhil. Good. It's a project. Okay. So I didn't develop any application. I want to use WhatsApp to discuss with you. I want to use WhatsApp. It is what? WhatsApp is what? Yes, product. Everyone, which is developed for specific client requirement is called project, and which is developed for enter the market requirement or multiple customer requirement, nothing but call as product. One more example. AK-47. Is it project and product? AK-47, is it project and product? Tarun, have you permission to use AK-47? No, then how we can call project Snehal? We don't have any access to use AK-47, right? Guys, it is not product. So many people they're giving as a product. Have you access to use AK-47? No, it's a project. It is only for army people, not for you and me. Understand my point? It is only for it is only for particular people called project. It is not called product. It is not called product. Okay, best example I'll give you guys. For festivals, our mother, she will prepare some sweet based on our requirement. Call call project. Call project. Tirupati Laddu. Call product. But interview time, if they ask question what is product, don't give answer as Tirupati Laddu. Yes, it's happened. It's happened. Few months back, one of my students, they went to interview with my reference, and even they asked the same question, what is product? They given the reply as it is Tirupati Laddu, like that. They shocked, they call me, guys. So don't give that kind of answers in interview time. Understand my point? So what is project? Which is developed for specific client requirement is called project, and which is developed for enter the market requirement is called product. But if you're working on project and product, our software testing, we have two ways. Everyone, software testing, how many ways? Software testing, two ways. What are the two ways? One is manual testing, and second one is automation testing. Everyone, software testing, two ways. One is manual testing, second one is automation testing. What is meaning of manual? What is meaning of automation? Very simple, guys. Manual means what? See, guys, 10 plus 10. What is answer? 20. I give an answer as a manual without any help, nothing but call as human interactions, right? Next, what is automation? 20 into 45.9 345 by 89. Now I need calculator to get the answer, which is called as what? Automation, with the help of tools and software. Everyone, same. Try to understand. testing engineer, manual testing without any help, only by human interactions, nothing but call as manual testing. Automation testing by the help of tools and softwares. Once again, software testing two ways. One is manual testing, second one is automation testing. Without any help, only by human interactions are called manual testing. By the help of tools and softwares are called automation testing. Everyone, automation testing. I have one doubt. If I want to become a software testing engineer as soon as possible, which one is better, manual or automation? If I want to become a software engineer, which one is better, manual or automation? Both. Manual first you should learn, then we can go to automation. Without manual, directly if you go to automation, it's look like a Malayalam movie. You can't understand. So first you should learn manual testing. After you have to learn automation testing. Yes, automation testing. In our class duration also, same guys. First, manual testing, we can learn 25 to 30 days of duration only for manual testing. In manual testing, you can learn basic to advanced level. Yes, advanced level with agile methodology, with Jira, with live projects, and everything you can learn in manual testing. Once manual testing is completed, then we can start automation testing Selenium. We can learn automation testing Selenium. Okay, so Selenium duration will be 45 days. So, but if you want to learn Selenium, first of all, you have to learn manual testing. Next, we have to learn automation. So, manual testing 100% free classes, guys. Understand? You don't need to pay anything else. But if you like it, my classes manual testing, if you want to get the job in software testing, then automation testing you can pay and you can continue. Understand, guys? Next 30 days, 100% free classes. You no need to pay even one single rupee. Once manual testing is completed, so automation testing chargeable. Automation testing chargeable. Regarding that, you can contact your your training institute. They will help you for the fee structure and everything. Got it my point? Okay. And everyone, every day 1 hour session. Yes, 1 hour class. Every day 1 hour class, and I can provide the notes, but don't ask recording. Okay, I can provide the notes. And Monday to Saturday classes, every Monday to Saturday, every day 1 hour class, every day 1 hour class. And same link never change. Same link you can join. Okay, same link you can join. And guys, recording don't ask, because free classes I can provide that, so please don't ask the recordings. Same link you can join every day. And guys, I'll ask the questions from last 1 hour what we discuss. I'll ask questions. Please give me reply in chat box. Depending on your answer, I can understand how much you are understanding. Okay. Okay. And every day same time, 7 to 8 p.m. Yes, Indian Standard Time. 7 to 8 p.m. Indian Standard Time. Everyone, my question is, I am asking the questions. My question is, when to start testing engineer job? Please give me your answer in chat box. Everyone, be ready with your chat options. You have the chat option. Please reply in the chat box. Please give me your answer in chat box. Just I can see your answers. My question, when to start testing engineer job? Guys, few students they're giving after 2022-20. My question is, when to start means after development or before development, not year. Dina, not here, Dina. My question, after development, before development, that's my question. When to start testing engineer job in software development? When to start testing engineer job in software development? Yes, after coding, after coding, after coding. Yes, very good. Next question. Next question. What is defect? Expected value equal with actual or not equal with actual? Expected value equal with actual or not equal with actual? Yes, yes, very good. Very good. Not equal. Not equal. Next, software testing, two ways. What are the two ways? Software testing, two ways. What are the two ways? Yes, very good. Very good. Manual testing and automation testing. Very good. Guys, 95% people, they given the valid answers. I'm very, very happy with your output. I'm very happy with your response, guys. I'm expecting every day same response. And one small request, guys, please listen. Every day, same 7 to 8 p.m. IST time. Every day, 1 hour class. And after 1 week, notes I'll provide. Okay. After 1 week, I'll provide the notes. That too, who are attending the classes regularly, I can provide the notes to those students. And Monday to Saturday classes will be there. Same link you can join. And I'll help you for resume preparation. After completion of class, I'll help you for resume preparation, and as well as every week mock interviews will be there. Every week mock interviews will be there, and I'll provide 100% job assistance. Yes, job assistance also I'll provide, but only manual testing, very less jobs. Better to add automation also. Okay. And first manual testing 30 days. Once it is done, then we can go to automation classes. Automation classes are paid. Automation classes after 30 days, it's a paid. Recording these classes, you can contact the management. Okay. 100% manual testing classes free. And every day after class, I'll wait few minutes to clarify your doubts. At the time you can ask questions, I'll clarify. Now everyone, you can ask me your doubts. I'll clarify your doubts, please. Guys, programming skills not required. Live project, entire manual testing live project we can learn. First 10 days only a theoretical part we can learn. After we can start live project. No need, Sheikh Mohammed. Guys, automation, very basic coding skills required. That too, I'll explain for that. Yes, MBA students, BTech students, non-IT background, anyone they're eligible. If you have basic degree, if you have basic graduation, you're 100% eligible to become a software testing engineer. Yes, Bhagyasri, if you have career gap also, I'll help you further. Yes, Neha. Dharani, recording certificate, please ask to management. No need, no need, guys. If you are 2020 password, 21 password, 19 password, anything, that's not a problem. You can learn. Yes, freshers also you can learn. Please ask your questions in chat box. I'll clarify you. Ashwin, yes, certification training I'll give you. Yes, if you're from electrical background also, I can help you. If you're 2015 also, I can help you, no worry. Manual testing 100% free. Automation testing is chargeable. You can ask to the management. Yes, if you're from electrical background also, you can make it that. Yes, non-IT people, you can do it. Yes, age is not factor, guys. Age is not important. If you're 30, 35, that is not issue. No age restrictions here. Yes, I'll give you live projects. I'll create WhatsApp link, WhatsApp group after 1 week. No need to learn any programming skills. To learn testing, no need to learn any programming skills. Yes, Telugu medium students also can understand. I'll explain with very basic language. Pavan Reddy, initially, let's continue manual classes. For recording payment. Management will contact with you, okay? First, let's complete the manual testing. Then for the payment, management will contact with you. My name is Ramakrishna. Yes, manual and automation, if you learn both, easy to get the job in IT industry. Rashmi, please ask question again.